Let's talk about the soil type underneath your yard. In Oklahoma City, all new developments are being pushed further around the outside of the city, and almost all of these developments are built on red dirt, clay type soil. This type of soil has an extremely high contraction rate and causes the yard to settle at different rates in different areas. So whenever it's introduced to sprinklers, whenever it's introduced to rain, different parts of the yard may settle faster than others. So if you see this, just let the yard continue to do what it's going to do. The settling will occur at the fastest rate in the first year alone. This red dirt clay type soil has very limited absorbency. So almost all of your absorbency comes in the health of the sod. So very important to keep in mind that you want to take care of your yard, because whenever we get heavier rainfalls, if we go through a hotter time of the year, we need to water more. All of your absorbency is coming from the sod and not the soil type.